Watch to see how I transfer this plain, non-fashionable activewear top to this fashionable, trendy top. Okay guys, so what you want to do is you want to make sure you're wearing a bra, because the bra is what's going to give you the support and structure that you need to transform the top. So you want to just tuck the sleeve all the way in like so. Just tuck it in on both ends. You want to keep tucking it into your bra strap. That's what you're tucking it into, because that's what's going to give it the support and help to structure the shoulders, the sleeves, to give it this Rougean look. Now, I am not going to do the complete step on camera because I don't want to expose myself, but you will still understand the process. You're going to take this, you're going to bunch it together like this, you're going to flip it under, and you're going to pull it in like so, right? And then you're going to fold it all the way under. So when you pull it through, you're going to pull it through a second time, and the piece that's hanging out, you're going to tuck it into the side. And then you're going to continue to fold under until you get this effect. Me personally, I do like the color contrast right here, but you can close it all the way if you'd like. And yeah, I personally would wear it with a high-waisted pants like this. I think it's very fashionable, very trendy. I like that I have the back going down longer and it goes up shorter in the front. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching.